Dude, it has been a minute, a New York second, a fat long time since I have done one of these unboxings. I don't think a New York second is actually a saying, but whatever. It's your host with the most, Paul Can 2, and I appreciate you guys. So I finally went to my P.O. box after years, it feels like, and I have a ton of stuff that I ordered, and I know I have some items that you guys have sent me. Look at this golden tape, my God. And I even have this giant box from you guys, my subscribers, that someone sent me a long time ago, and I am sorry it has taken me so long to do these videos. There's been a couple of reasons. Number one, when I tend to do unboxings, the videos don't do as great, so it kind of like is negatively impacting the algo, but at this point I kind of don't really care anymore. It is what it is. If y'all send me something, I need to go ahead and open it up, you dig? Also behind me, speaking of which, tonight, guys, yes, after this video drops at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, I'm giving back, since you guys always do hook it up. I'm giving away this Rolling Stones t-shirt on my Whatnot live stream. I figured I would mention that. I go live every single Tuesday on Whatnot. I live auction 75 plus vintage items, and if you guys tune in, I'm gonna give that dude away for free. There's a link in the description to sign up if you guys feel inclined to do so, and if you use that link, you'll get $15 off your first purchase. But without further ado, let's go ahead and hop in to these parcels real quick. All right, so box number one, I don't think I purchased. I think this is from somebody, Evan Richard. I appreciate you, Evan Dick. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut into this. I wish I had Trish with me in the new studio space, but unfortunately I had to take the blade off her hoof. We had a couple of kids we was fostering before I had my own damn child, and having a horse with a blade attached to his leg is not a good idea when they're inspecting your crib. But hold on, let me just go ahead and cut through this bad boy. All right, y'all see what I see, man. Who knows? Wow. Who knows what's up in here? Hold on, they included a note and some stickers that Rave Star Vintage or Rare Star Vintage. Y'all know I'm illiterate when it comes to scripts. Come on, dude. They left me a note. If you guys don't like when I read these things, then just go ahead and skip this. It says, "What's cracking, Paul? First off, let me just say that I've been a big fan of your content since about 2017. You are one of the major reasons why I've gotten into the vintage clothing scene, and I couldn't thank you enough for that. I even made friends drive me down to Family Thrift on the hill when I visited H-Town last summer. Anyways, I finally decided to follow in your footsteps and open my own vintage clothing page, Rave Star Vintage. To celebrate, I decided to send you some pieces. Heck yeah, I might find these interesting. We shall see. I included a piece for Lil Griffey too. I see it right now, bro. Thank you so much. Genuinely from the bottom of my heart, thank you for being one of my favorite content creators and biggest fashion inspirations for as long as you have. Thrift God. Enjoy. Much love." All right, thank you, Mixmaster. Have fun. I appreciate you, bro. Now, without further ado, let's crack into the fireballs, all right? So we have this little Rumford t-shirt for the children's, okay? Look at the graphic, very clean. Shout out Rumford, Maine, all right? Never been to Rumford, but I might go ahead and take a little trip. Oh my God. Also, the Blues Brothers on a Mission single stitch t-shirt. Oh my Lord. Then you got the real Florida. We got Maine all the way down the east coast of Florida as well. Animal incrustations. Are you freaking shitting me, dude? This is so hard. I'm gonna wear this on my gardening channel. Yes, I do drop extra videos. I have a whole gardening channel where I just get into plants on YouTube. It's called Paul Plant 2. Anyways, you got the reggae roots, one of my favorite musical genres. Thank you, my brother. Oh, of course, the fishes that get you. Hella bitches, you dig? That's Scuba Cuba. Let's go. Last and not least, some Tommy for your mommy with the big flag right here. Damn, this thing is collared up. Yes. So thank you so much. You guys, Rave Star Vintage, man, a supporter of the channel. Y'all go F's with them on the gram. Thank you, dude. I appreciate you, Evan. Next up, we got a piece I ordered on Whatnot from the homie Jacob W. Star. So we're gonna crack into it. What's funny is I just hopped in his live to show love, and he got this from my friends in Houston. So I could have paid what he paid theoretically, but man, I gotta run it up for him. You got the Morrissey tee, one time for the one time, small little holes all up in it, aged in patina to perfection. Perfect. Light my fire, okay? Light my wax candle. What? Next up, I think this is another purchase, and then the last major box is some craziness. Bro, I thought this person refunded me. I guess not. But yes, you got that refuse. I don't even know what that says, bruh. Stupid. Hold on. Refuses to play well with others. There you go. It's very hard to read from this vantage point, okay? It's like peripheral vision reading. My bad. But you have Taz just smiling. Glorious. And it even does have the sleeve hit. So this bad boy, I probably am going to throw up on a Whatnot auction that will be next Tuesday at 7 p.m. And you guys know, man, if y'all want to support, smash the like button. And if you want to support monetarily, thriftheavenvintage.com is where I also sell a ton of pieces. Another banger that I did purchase. This came in hella late on the eBay, but this is extra fire flame, fire flame. Spitta. Oh my God, the Flintstones San Francisco 49ers Bangtown USA crew neck Clifford, nice tomato paste red color scheme, vintage as it gets, 1994. Okay, cracking into the big kahuna. This thing is heavy than a mug. How much did it say it weighed? I'm trying to see, man. 28 pounds. Bruh, this weighs more than my son. Oh my Lord. So we're gonna go ahead and just get into this. I opened it thinking it was a purchase I made a long time ago. Let me look at the date on this, man. I've had this for a long time. This was mailed to me in 2021. Bro, I am so sorry, my man.
Personal file, tripping.
Roland, I am so sorry, homie. It's taken me years to get to this package.
Tripping.
That's embarrassing, honestly. But it says, what up, Paul? First off, just gotta say thank you for everything you've done for the thrift community. I stay in San Antonio, Texas on the thrift scene and have been expanding rapidly. That's what's up. It's crazy now. I started watching your content one day. I looked up thrifting in San Antonio and your video was the first one. I fell in love since. Pause! You encouraged me to start thrifting more and more, and I even started my own thrifting page on Instagram at nothingbutHats210. Stay safe and thrift on, brother. Sincerely, Roland V. Okay. I hate a goofy especially is what he put right there. 4 minutes left on the memory card. Let's crack through this. That is a mission. Threw in some VHSs, the bloopers, Inside Monster Jam, all right? And then a couple of other VHS bangers, all right? Now, he said he likes hats, and he threw in an absolute ton of them. You dig? New school hat right here. Bang, I'm just flying through these guys. Y'all can check them out. If there's something crazy, I will, like this, I'll spend some time on it. That redfish vintage trucker hat. This is crispy right here. I don't even know what this is. You got another Fish to Get You Hella Biatches hat. And then the Tide Racing banger, man. I needed this a long time ago. You got that Ricky Bobby hit on the back. Very clean, gotta restore that thing. But yeah, what I didn't want the unboxings to turn into is people just giving me literally their junk drawers, excusez-moi. And that's kind of what some of this has turned into. So I do appreciate the love, but guys, save yourself on some shipping and just re-donate this stuff to the thrifts at least, okay? So yeah, dude, Guess jeans hat, I'm just going through it. Oh, like look, we went through all those hats and then you got the Yukon Huskies, just won the Final Four. That is crazy. Nat Champs in this ting. All right, now this is stuff I definitely could use. You got Krusty the Clown to decorate the new studio with. You got DK, Donkey Kong, and anything that is given to me that I don't foresee myself keeping, I'll probably just give away on the Whatnot live streams. Power Ranger right here, vintage as it gets. All right, X-Men paraphernalia. Come on with it. Like, look at this Silver Surfer. Exquisite, man. What is that? Sterling silver? Bro, my man's threw in some wrestling DVDs as well. So unfortunately, my camera just died because that box was stuffed with shirts, the majority of which look like failed tie-dye projects, such as this right here. But one grail the homie rolling through me was I hate a goofy especially. You got the mug right there. That is super hard. And then of course that Tommy for your mammy. So thank you, Roland. And also, man, look, I mean, obviously you sent me that package 2 years ago, but look, if you're still watching, I love you. And guys, save yourself some shipping costs. just donate some of the junk, okay? But now we have a few more packages to crack into. I want to look at all the dates on these. This is from 2021 as well. This is from 2022.
Trippy.
Let's crack into it, bruh. Oh, yes, the Ken Griffey Jr. tee. What? Speaking of my son, yes, this was an absolute firecracker that I did purchase. Let's see what else. The homie Jacob sent me something else. Oh my God, what an absolute banger. Bruh, I can't believe I never opened this. Holy crap, you got the Houston Oilers tee. He showed me when he found this, man. And I've had this for 2 years and never opened it. Jacob, you dirty dog, thank you. That's Thrift Row on Whatnot, and he has a website as well. You guys can follow my boy. But yeah, hard than a mug. I remember he sent me a picture of this, and I was like, oh, that's sick. And then he just blessed me with it. Crazy. Yeah, this is gonna stay with me till I am deceased, or until my girl wears it, then like drops a margarita on it. Then I'm still rocking it. This looks like something I may potentially ordered on eBay as well. Oh no, this is something for the child, bruh. Look at this. Oh. Guys, look at this Grail. Boy, you got Tasmanian Devil, the Dallas Cowboys. Taz doesn't get mad, he gets crazy. That's crazy. But yeah, this is nuts. Thank you to whoever sent this to me. They didn't even put their name. They didn't even put their name. Well, I love you nevertheless. This smells nuts though. It smells like it was like tickled with asbestos. So that's wild. I might potentially die from this. But yeah, guys, we got some fire vintage clothes. Thank y'all for watching. In conclusion, I haven't done these in forever, once again, so please just drop a comment, smash the like button. If you guys have any questions you want to ask me, fire them off in the comment section below. I'll try and answer them, or I might do another one of these next week or in the next couple of weeks as well. I just want to show my appreciation and gratitude for everyone who does send me stuff. Again though, save yourself on some shipping. If it is pure, unadulterated re-thrift donations, then please do not re-gift if you can re-donate to the thrift. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. I don't need junk drawers, okay? But with that being said, I appreciate all you guys for watching and supporting. And once again, at 7 p.m., I will be live on Whatnot for about an hour and a half every single Tuesday night. So yeah, if you guys want extra content, tune in on there. And then also if you're into plants or gardening, Paul Plant 2 on YouTube. All the links are in the video description down below. I love y'all. Live the dream. Eat that ice cream. And until next time, I'll see y'all soon. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.